If you've ever stared at a mortgage estimate and thought, wait, am I missing something here? Because let's be honest, buying a home sometimes feel like decoding a language only 3 people on earth actually understand. I'm not even sure I'm one of them. Anyways, at PBJ Mortgage, we believe that clarity isn't some bonus feature, that it's a foundation of your confidence. And so today, we're gonna walk through exactly how to buy your home with clarity and not with confusion. We're not doing lectures, we're not doing jargon, just calm, honest answers. And so buying a home doesn't have to feel like taking the SAT in another language. It can just simply be simple. So the first things first, if you feel lost in this process, it doesn't mean that you're not ready. It means that the process hasn't been explained to you clearly yet. And the system was built with acronyms, fine print, and so much paperwork, it should come with a warning label. I think this is why people are actually really afraid of getting a mortgage in the first place. And most lenders, they talk at you, but at PBJ, we talk to you. It is a very important thing that we are talking to you and not at you. So new clients often say to me, I'm scared because I think I'm gonna miss something, I'm gonna mess everything up. Or what if I choose the wrong loan and then regret it later? Which is totally understandable and a perfectly rational fear. And here's one of the things that I'm always going to tell them. It isn't your job to know everything. It's my job to make it make sense. It's also my job to simplify the steps and stay true to our process, making the steps as easy as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Hence the name of our company, PBJ Mortgage. And so if you're overwhelmed, it doesn't mean that you're behind. It means that you're paying attention. So we are going to take things and simplify them down a little bit. So here are 3 of the biggest mistakes I see buyers make and how to steer clear of them. So mistake number 1, believing that pre-approval is a green light. Pre-approval is just a starting point. It's an estimate, not a permission slip. Your real budget should come from your numbers, your lifestyle, and what lets you sleep at night. And if you spoke to an expert with your life and your unique situation in mind, they should have ensured that the pre-approval number means confidence and clarity for you. And so mistake number 2 is forgetting the full picture. It's not just your mortgage payment, it's your taxes, your insurance, potential HOA fees, the upkeep that you're going to have for your house. And you have to ask yourself, what can I afford and still actually enjoy my life? You shouldn't feel like every dollar you spend goes to your bills and your house payment. Who wants that? Buying a house is supposed to be an amazing accomplishment and a way to build wealth, not handcuffs that make you feel stressed out and uncomfortable. Mistake 3, letting fear run the show. When rates jump or news headlines scream housing crash, it's easy to freeze or to panic, but solid decisions come from facts and not fear. And oftentimes we allow what the media shares or other opinions cloud our judgment, when we know exactly what works for our life and our lifestyle. So stop letting others make life-changing decisions for you. You know your own mind. Lean into that.
Stay tuned. We'll be back right after this message from our sponsors.
Imagine having the power to control your financial destiny, no matter where you start. Welcome to the Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform, where financial education is tailored to your unique journey. We cover everything you need, from basic budgeting and saving strategies to advanced investing and retirement planning. Learn at your own pace with lessons that match your level of experience. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your financial knowledge, join our community of learners and benefit from shared insights and expert guidance. The Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform equips you with the skills and confidence to take charge of your financial future. Ready to master your finances? Enroll in our courses today at the Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform. Start your path to financial independence now.
Visit us at fms.tips and fms.college for more information.
Hello and welcome to PBJ Mortgage, where your home ownership dreams become reality. Today, we want to share why choosing PBJ Mortgage is the right choice for your home financing needs. At PBJ Mortgage, we're built on a foundation of values that drive us every day. Our commitment to educate, empathize, and empower our clients sets us apart in the mortgage industry. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do, and their success stories speak volumes. With years of experience, our team possesses in-depth knowledge of the mortgage programs, ensuring you receive expert guidance and the best possible rates. We offer a diverse range of loan options to suit your unique needs, including conventional, FHA, VA, and more. No matter your situation, we've got a solution. At PBJ Mortgage, we pride ourselves on providing personalized service. Our dedicated loan officers are here to guide you every step of the way, making the process as smooth as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We understand that time is of the essence, which is why we've streamlined our processes for efficiency and convenience. Transparency and clear communication are paramount. You'll always know where you stand throughout your mortgage journey. Reach out to us today to set up a call to discover your options. If you're ready to make your home ownership dreams a reality, contact PBJ Mortgage today. Let us empower you during this exciting journey. Phone number 4-693-733-107 www.pbjteam.com. Visit our website or give us a call to get started. We look forward to helping you secure your future home. PBJ Mortgage, where home begins.
Thanks for your patience.
And so now, truth one, pre-approval is not your permission slip. It's just your starting line. So let me introduce you to an overwhelmed client we had. When she first called me, she was panicking. Another lender had qualified her for $800,000, and it made her really uncomfortable. And she told me, I don't want to buy a house that owns me. I heard her. I listened to her concerns. I wanted to ensure she was comfortable and put herself in the best possible position for where she wanted to be. And so we hit the pause button, and we started out where all smart mortgage plans should, with her life. And we built a comfort-based budget that reflected her real goals, not just numbers on a spreadsheet. And you know where we landed? About $650K. She was looking at a different pre-approval amount, but that difference, it gave her room to save, to travel, to enjoy dinners out, and still feel secure, feel like she owned the house, not the other way around, with the house owning her. And 3 months later, she texted me. For the first time, I actually understand not only my mortgage, but how to ensure that the money works for me. And that's a win. That's clarity. Ensuring that her largest asset and her largest debt weren't the albatross that held her back. And that's exactly what it should be. Now, another truth, the right mortgage won't ask you to become a different person. And so here's the truth that most people just don't want to hear. The lowest rate, it's not always the smartest deal. And sure, it looks great on paper, but the cheapest interest rate on your mortgage can cost you more in flexibility, freedom, or fees. And I always say that we don't build mortgages for bragging rights. We build them so you can breathe and to ensure it makes the most financial sense. Financial peace beats lowest possible rate every single time. And so your mortgage should feel like a tool and not a trap. You're not buying a headline rate. You're building a lifestyle that fits you, not what people have spent millions in advertising dollars to convince you that you need, which they are saying is the lowest interest rate. Because life doesn't freeze once you close. Your job might change, your family might grow, life might, well, life. And that's why a clear, flexible mortgage plan matters more than a perfect one someone told you that you fit. So let me tell you about another one of our clients. 6 months after closing, he lost a huge piece of his income. He was very stressed out originally. But then, because we had built a plan with wiggle room in his overall budget, he adjusted his payments with zero panic, and he was able to step back and be in a really solid position. And that's the power of clarity. It keeps you confident even when life gets messy. He knew that he was on completely firm footing, which was a great feeling for him. And so here's what I want you to take away from all of this. Clarity isn't just about understanding your loan. It's about replacing fear with confidence. And it's about making choices that feel good now and feel good later. It's about knowing what you're signing, why it matters, and how it fits your life. You deserve that kind of clarity, one that isn't purely dollars and cents. It isn't focusing simply on getting the best interest rate without understanding what comes with that. So if you're ready to move from confused to confident and from can I do this to I've got this, we should talk. Because at PBJ Mortgage, we make mortgages simple, smart, and human. We make it easy, just like making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So we would love for you to book a call with us at PBJ Team, PBJ just like the sandwich, team, TEAM.com.